Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basic power specs and physical condition. This matters because mismatched wattage or a frayed cable limits current. Remove lint from the port with a soft tool, then plug in a certified 18W or higher adapter. Once done, reboot the device to clear background tasks. Restarts often restore normal charging behavior. Make sure to try a known good charger and cable to isolate whether the problem is the wall adapter, the cable, or the device itself. Next, you run diagnostics and adjust system settings to reduce parasitic drain. Open battery health and software update panels. Outdated firmware can throttle charging for safety. Turn off Bluetooth, GPS, and background syncing. These services consume power while charging. Once that's set, test in safe mode or use a USB power meter to measure input current and voltage. This tells you if the device accepts full charge. If input is low, swap cables or adapters and retest to finally take corrective action based on your findings. Replace any cable or adapter that shows low output. If battery health is under 80%, plan a replacement because capacity loss causes slow charging. Clean or replace the charging port if pins are bent or oxidized. Severe port damage may need professional repair. Once repaired, charge with the device powered off to verify top speed. If it charges much faster, check software or background processes. If problems persist, consult a technician for board-level diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.